Oh, hey there. So we are back with Base64 master plugin. So now I'm going to show you how to convert file to Base64 and Base64 to file. So these are the two forms. So first I'll convert file to Base64. So for that I'll upload a file. So this is a JPG file. Now if I click on the button, I'll get the Base64 and the name of the file with the MIME type. So I'll get three values after converting file to base64. So now I'll convert this base64 to file. For that I need the base64, then I'll need the name, and now I'll click on get file. As you can see, I got the URL, and now if I go to that URL, I got the image. So here also you can upload multiple files and get the base64, and you can upload multiple base64 with the name of the file, and you'll get the multiple files as well. You just have to give comma separated values. For file, you can give comma, as well as if you are uploading it, you can use multi uploader inputs. So I'll show you which action I am using. So here, this is the action called convert file to base64, where it asks for file lists, which is a list of file URLs. You can use multi-uploader element. Then in the response, you'll get base64 lists, name lists, and MIME type lists. You just have to use a repeating group in order to get those. Then this is the action called base64 to files, where you have to give base64 lists, file names. There is one more input called homepage URL. So you just have to give your homepage URL. This is the page URL up till here, or you can give up till here as well, based on the version. If it's a test version, you can give this much. If it's a live, you can give this much. You just have to give that. That's the app URL, and you'll get the URL of the file from base64. And you can, if you check the response, you'll get the file URL list. So this is how you convert file to base64 and base64 to file. Thank you.